Salamat po.
Ingat ka rin kay John.
Philippines, August 19th, 2026. President Ferdinand Marcos Junior has ordered government agencies to move quickly and prioritize public safety as torrential Habagat rains submerged large parts of Metro Manila, stranding motorists and commuters and leaving roads impassable for hours. Palace Press Officer Claire Castro said Marcos was closely monitoring the situation and directed agencies to ensure that affected residents receive immediate assistance. The scale of Monday's rainfall on August 17th underscored the severity of the flooding. PAGASA recorded 201.7 millimeters of rain in just 6 hours at its Science Garden station in Quezon City from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. More strikingly, 138.7 millimeters fell in just 2 hours from noon to 2 p.m., equivalent to roughly 7 days of the area's average August rainfall. Quezon City typically receives 568.5 millimeters of rain throughout the month of August. The intense downpour triggered widespread flooding across Metro Manila, disrupting transport and leaving thousands of commuters and motorists stranded. The Office of Civil Defense has activated response cluster agencies, while search and rescue teams remain on standby. The government has also ordered free rides in Metro Manila as relief, clearing, and medical operations continue in flooded areas. Meanwhile, prolonged rains from the second week of the combined effects of the enhanced southwest monsoon, Habagat, and tropical cyclones, Luis and May, have left 27 people dead, 17 injured, and 1 missing, the Office of Civil Defense, OCD, reported on Wednesday, August 19th. A total of 5,394,342 individuals, or 1,539,614 families across 10 regions, were affected as the country continues to deal with flooding, landslides, and other hazards linked to the weather disturbances. The affected regions were Cordillera Administrative Region, Ilocos, Region 1, Cagayan Valley, Region 2, Central Luzon, Region 3, National Capital Region, NCR, Calabarzon, Region 4A, Mimaropa, Region 4B, Bicol, Region 5, Western Visayas, Region 6, and Zamboanga Peninsula, Region 9. The fatalities include 15 in Benguet, 3 apiece in Rizal and Batangas, 2 in Caloocan City, and 1 each in La Union, Quezon Province, Oriental Mindoro, and Negros Occidental. The 17 injured persons were noted in Ilocos Sur, Benguet, Abra, Rizal, and Cavite, while the lone missing individual was logged in Batangas. The combined cost of damages to infrastructure and agriculture reached 4,925,302,561 pesos. The OCD said 1,993 houses were also damaged, while 461 evacuation centers were sheltering over 42,000 people. Meanwhile, the worsening weather also prompted the cancellation of several sea trips on Wednesday in the port management offices, PMO, of Abra de Ilog, Batangas, Camarines in Bicol Region, Culion, Palawan, Lubang, and San Jose in Occidental Mindoro, and Nasipit, Agusan del Norte.